Alright guys, I wasn't going to bother with this one, I was going to give us a break, but this is Purley Mini Ramp, absolute S-H-I-T-E hole, so much rubbish, absolute rubbish everywhere from your favourite McSpicy. Boycott McDonald's, man, who's still going to McDonald's these days? It is a giant mini ramp, it's made of metal, it's a bit hair, it's a bit rusty, coping's nicely set in, and it's slippy. Don't worry, I'll make sure you're not in it. Here's we got the local skateboarders right here. They're gonna shred some 900s for us. Yeah, coping looks good. On average, do you see many skateboarders down here shredding this ramp? No. Scooters? No. BMX? No. Inliners, quads? No. And the last group is WCMX.
It's for show, really.
It's just for show.
Yeah, no, really, we just sit here, like,
yeah, it's a bench.
Chill, yeah.
It's a multi-purpose obstacle. It's a bench.
I think because it's so hidden, like the skateboarders and stuff, they don't actually know it might be
Yeah,
there.
yeah. That's our job today. We're surveying every skate space in London, so they know what's loved, what's not loved, where the money's gone, whether it's been wasted, what they need to improve upon. Safety in the area, out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
Yeah, I'm local. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. 3, 4?
About a 4, 5.
4?
This area.
4,
yeah.
5, good.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
It's the nice part.
There's no lights, right? Coming.
No.
Oh, there's a floodlight there. Do you know if that comes on at night
Yeah,
for the
it
basketball?
does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Does. It's the youth club there.
That's cool. All right, sweet. Yeah. Hopefully we'll put it on the map, and maybe someone will come down one day and skate it. It's got a picnic bench, and not only that, it's undercover. It's rainproof. You are lucky.
I know. That's why I come here. So
Yeah.
It really is.
That is super rare. Yeah, we'll try our best. Have you ever seen a community group use it, or no? Any competitions, any jams? No. Oh. Council put it in, ticked a box, and then forgot about it.
I think it was even before that, like, this area's kind of always been very quiet and so on and so forth. It was really just a tick box exercise that I really thought about, but
Interesting. No problem, we'll try our best. Take care, guys. Peace. Alright, they're lovely. They know the history, they live here. And that's Purley Mini Ramp. They've never seen anyone use it. They don't think anyone knows about it.
Where's SkateboardGB knows about it?
Yeah, SkateboardGB knows about it because it's on the list. But
what is
Skate
this
community.
area safe for?
yeah, they said very safe.
Okay.
I even said like 3-star. They threw in a 4 to 5-star. They're happy with it, yeah. And they're very friendly too. So welcoming to foreigners from North London. That's us, by the way. Cool. All right, let's get on to the next skate park. Potentially, when you got a ramp like this, it might mean there's a very, very good skate park nearby. So why is anyone going to bother coming to this when they could go elsewhere? So let's see what else is nearby.